In this lesson, we will see together the preposition, and more precisely, au fond de. So, of course, the first thing that we need to see together is what is une préposition? Well, a preposition is an invariable word which brings two words together. The second word is called complement, and it allows to specify the time, the cause, the place, the state, the manner, the purpose, or the matter. The second word can be another noun, a pronoun, an infinitive verb, or an adverb. And last but not least, remember that this complement can also be a sentence. So, this lesson is about au fond de. And the preposition au fond de can be translated into at the bottom of, deep in the back of, in the depth of, in the recesses of, in English. And so we'll see four examples with au fond de. Les clés se trouvent au fond de mon sac. Les clés se trouvent au fond de mon sac. Il a découvert un trésor au fond de la grotte. Il a découvert un trésor au fond de la grotte. Au fond du jardin, il y a un bel arbre. Au fond du jardin, il y a un bel arbre. Elle a caché son journal intime au fond de son tiroir. Elle a caché son journal intime au fond de son tiroir.